Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something simple yet essential: how to cancel an event in Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're rescheduling a meeting or just need to free up your day, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Calendar open in your web browser or app. It's the go-to tool for managing your schedule, and canceling events is straightforward. Start by locating the event you want to cancel. Scroll through your calendar view or use the search bar to find it quickly. Trust me, this saves time if your calendar is packed. Once you've found the event, click on it to open the details. You'll see options like Edit, Delete, or View More. For canceling, hit the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the event pop-up. From there, select Delete or Remove, depending on whether it's an event you created or one you're invited to. If it's your event, you'll get a confirmation prompt to ensure you really want to delete it. Go ahead and confirm, and poof, it's gone from your calendar. But wait, what if you're the organizer and others are invited? Google Calendar will ask if you want to notify attendees. It's a polite touch, so check that box if you want to send them a cancellation email. This feature helps avoid confusion and keeps everyone in the loop. If you're using the mobile app, the process is similar. Tap the event, hit the edit pencil, and look for the delete option at the bottom. One quick tip: always double-check your calendar after canceling to make sure the event is truly removed. Google Calendar syncs across devices, so it should update everywhere, but tech can be quirky sometimes. If you accidentally delete the wrong event, don't panic. Use the undo option that pops up right after, or check your trash in Google Calendar to restore it. There you have it, folks. Canceling an event in Google Calendar is quick and painless, leaving you more time for what matters. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.